Alright, man, check this out. Top dasher does not matter. Alrighty, welcome back, y'all. So today we gonna talk about an important topic, man. I see a lot of dashers making a lot of mistakes, and you know what? I'm tired of it. It don't make no sense. I got to say something. I got to help y'all out. If you've been making these mistakes, please stop. I hope you find some type of value in this video. If you do, hit me with a like, hit me with a subscribe, and we're gonna keep these kind of videos going because I need to help guys. I gotta help these new dashers out. You know, a lot of people coming into the game this year, so it's a lot of new dashers on the scene. There's a lot of people that left. So I got to get y'all straight, man, and I'm gonna get you together. Alright, man, check this out. Top dasher does not matter. That is a scam, okay? That's a scam to get you to pick up low tip, no tip orders. Top dashers does not matter. Stop going for it. I'm not going for it. Be prepared, okay? Wake up at a decent time. If you're trying to go for morning shift, you know, be up before the morning shift start. You know, be at the restaurants before they start making the breakfast, so you can be there for the breakfast orders. If you like to dash during the lunch shift, you know, start before the lunch orders come in. Same thing for dinner time. Be prepared. Make sure you got you something to eat. You know, unless you plan on stopping and spending your hard-earned money on some food, pack you a lunch, okay? Or my boy Pedro would say, make a sandwich.
What are you? An idiot sandwich.
Okay? Another thing, make sure your phone's is charged. If you finna be out dashing all day, what you gonna do when your phone die? Now look at you out there, you trying to work, you trying to make some money, and you ain't even got no battery. Now what you gonna do, go spend a couple dollars, go buy a battery charger? Charge your phone up and bring a charger, okay? And another thing, fill up your gas tank. What are you doing? How is you gonna make some money and you ain't got no gas? So you just gonna go out there, you just gonna run out of gas on the side of the road, right? That's what you gonna do? Be prepared, quit playing with me.
Stop playing with me, what?
Top dasher, top dumbass. You ain't making no money. $2.50, 5 miles, $4 for 8 miles. Look. Stop going for top dasher. The shit is a scam, okay? I'm here to tell you. If you top dasher, you ain't making no money. Ignore them, decline them $2.50 orders, them $5 for 10-mile orders. If you have stop going for top dasher, okay? It's a mistake. Why is you letting people ride with you while you DoorDashing? What is wrong with you? Okay, so you DoorDashing, but you just got somebody just in the passenger seat riding with you, or better yet, they running in and picking up the food for you, right? So you just don't care about your account at all, huh? So when they report you, and then they deactivate you, and then you can't make no money, then what you gonna do? Quit letting people ride with you, man. You's not supposed to do that. And for that matter, don't violate the terms of service. You need to be doing everything in your power to maximize. So anything that you're doing that's minimizing or risking your account, you need to stop it. Just stop it, man. It don't even make sense. Okay? It don't make sense. And another thing, track your miles. You driving all these miles, you making this money, you finna have to pay taxes on this money. Track your miles because that's gonna be the biggest deduction that you're gonna have coming off of your taxes. I'm tired of it, man. Track your miles. It don't even make sense. What is you doing? You out here driving all these miles every day and you ain't even tracking it. All you gotta do is download Stride, click one button, and it's gonna track it for you. In the background. But you can't even do that, huh? You can't even
Do it! Just do